Nice and rich, no? Yeah, man. That is it, my people. That is how we. Welcome back to the channel, my people. Beautiful morning. What am I going with? My day I go through one shortcut, you know, through one bush. It's been a while since I've been to them parts. Nice peruse today. Yeah, man, I go over one of my bridges by your way. I always give him some breadfruit and peel skin and such. For in pick them. But people don't know what going on now. To how long me not come at them place, I guess what? No pass now there, so again it look like a somebody's house. So yeah, man. People have always been telling us I live close to a jackfruit tree. See tree here. Let me see if I can zoom this. Oh, can't zoom right now. Alright. Yeah, man. Jackfruit upon it still. Years me know this tree here, man. Years. But it look like you not even up the house lock up. I was going to see if I can get some pork. Yeah. But up the lock up. So I have to go to the store. Well, so be it. So big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Thanks for coming back to the channel if you're a returning subscriber. Yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, see many people, just jump or click the subscribe button and give me some love, man, you know? Yeah. Anyways, yeah, man, that's the menu for today. Maybe some curry pork or something. It's been a while since I had pork. Yeah. So I'm trying to get some pork right now. So big up on yourself. As soon as I get that and I get back home, which I'm already passing my house right now. So it wasn't like I was too far. But big up on yourself. See you there. Reach out. Yeah, man, bless up, man. Welcome back. People there try to organize the tripod there. Yeah, man, so we're in a fall. Rainy day in a western Jamaica. Yeah. So they are organizing now, starting some rice. So an idea, we don't run pork, but don't get through with the pork. I mean, I like buy certain kind of pork. I rather it from the local vendor. So, that's what I run when I have. Right now, I have some fish in the fridge, so I just take out a couple of snap of them. Show them how to go on. Rain or fall. You can't go outside to scale this, so you have to scale this in the water. If you guys don't know, that's a trick. That's a good hack. If you don't want to go outside to scale the fish, and you don't want in your kitchen filled with fish scale, you can just scale it under the water. Just like how I have it right here, just make it submerge and use your scale or your fork or a knife or whatever and just scale it. You understand? So I have one already trim off the fins and all of the gills and everything. You know? Nice and clean. That is it. So I have about 3 more of this. And so I have 2 or so. So yeah, that is it. Some steamed fish and okra. Steamed fish and crackers with some okra and some white rice. I would have cooked food, you know, but I don't have any yams and sauce of dumpling don't really make no sense. Even though I mean no compete without dumpling. You know, even if you cook food without dumpling, it don't make no sense. Well, sauce of dumpling alone to me don't make no sense. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to prepare the fish scene. So big up on yourself. Alright people, so it's about time. So what I go on here now? Guess what I go on here now? Change of plans. I was gonna do just some regular steamed fish, but I was just talking to my mom and she said she did curry red snapper in New York. So since me there in Jamaica, I have frozen coconut milk in the fridge, people. But by the time I get that thawed out, this pot and I go cook it today. So guess what? I'm using coconut milk powder. See the flavor here, the one here, the brand here, the Grace. Yeah. So I'm just mixing this out in some water. See over here, so we have some okra cut up already. This is bell peppers. I actually separate them because that will go in last. That is sweet pepper. That will go in last. So to show you, I was gonna do just some regular steamed fish. So I was cutting up some tomato, but we Jamaicans we tend to not really like use tomatoes in our curry. One, it will change the color, which we don't really want that. So in this over here, so I have some garlic when I mince up real fine. I have scotch bonnet right there, so I have scallion in the middle right here. I have onions over here. I have some Irish, which cut them in some big long strip, julienne style, and some julienne carrots. And under the bottom of this, I have some pimento seeds. Right. So first thing I'm gonna do is burn the curry. When I burn the curry, I'll go in with the coconut milk and all of this seasoning and vegetable and everything. Guys, this dish, the fridge is actually making ice, so no mind that sound. This dish would have been a plus if I had some yellow yams, but I don't have any yellow yams right now, so guess what? I'm doing without. Anyways, let me organize my pot. Let me just rinse it out, put it on, and show you what I'm going. I've already steamed the rice and everything, so rice don't cook on there. Wait! When the pot is still shine, people. I don't know, it's a Jamaican thing. We know say it clean, and we want it to use, and we still wash it and use it. Yeah man, my people, so it is what it is. Big up on yourself, stay tuned, let me get organized, and I'll give you guys an update. Big up on yourself. Alright my people, so see what I'm going now. I'm gonna get in a little bit of oil. Don't mind those little spots in the hot. If you don't know that, if you don't know enough about Jamaica, you know so water out here full of chlorine. So kinda hard to get rid of. Anyways, a little bit of oil. Alright, curry. Alright, let me just pull the curry right now. Yeah man, so we're going with a little curry and burn it. Yeah man, curry to burn people. You know, burn a curry no? You hear about it, you leave a bathroom. Yes. Alright, so let me get one of my spatula them. I'm going with the seasoning. Garlic, pimento, onion, carrot, Irish, all of the good things in there, man. And if you just saute that a little bit in the curry, the aroma already. Believe me. The aroma has arrived. That is it. So now I'm gonna go in with Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk. Nice and rich, people. Yes, no man. That is it. So we're just gonna let this cook for a few minutes. Make the Irish them get a little bit of the coconut milk deep down in it, you know, make it absorb all of the goodness. People, the aroma right now where they kick up. Yeah, man. That is it. Alright, it's looking a little bit on the thicker side, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. You understand? So let me turn it back to the fire. Yeah, man. And I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose to this, a little bit of Maggi all-purpose, a little bit of my blended all-purpose season as well, and let me just pull that one out, the one here brand new. See there? Maggi all-purpose. That is it. Not too much, guys, because I'm going to go in with one chicken noodle. Yeah. You know. Nice and lovely color too, you know, people. Yes, it is. Alright, so I'm going to cover this down and give it about 5 minutes and let these vegetables and things. Don't mind the noise in the background. I have a few friends over playing dominoes right now. So, yeah, man. Let me get the cover for this pot. Great. Now, just let it sit right there and make the magic go and happen. See? Big up in yourself. That has been boiling for about 5 minutes somewhere there. So, see, I have my chicken noodle mix in this. There are noodles in the bottom of this, you know, which are they're all of them sink. So I'm gonna try to throw it without getting the noodles in there. I don't need the noodles. Yeah, man. So that is it. Now I'm gonna give this a few more minutes, maybe an next 3 minutes. Make all of the season bond together and all of the niceness, you know. Yes, man. Make it just go and cook down, man. And people, the aroma that is coming from this, unbelievable right now in the kitchen. Wish you guys could smell it. So make that go and marinate, and I'll show you guys when I'm adding the fish. I've already added a little bit of all-purpose and fish season and salt and black pepper to the fish. That's why I didn't use too much season in this, because the fish is seasoned as well. So that is it. Yeah, man. So it's about that time for the fish them go in. Whoa, nice and lovely coconut curry sauce, people. Look at that, rich and thick. A lot of people probably wondering why I didn't add the fish. People, fish don't need that much cooking time. It will actually start tear apart and all of that, and I don't want that for my fish. So guess what? I'm just gonna lay out the fish right on top of all of that sauce and make them steam down. You know? If you know, you know. See, you can get one over here so too. And a 5 of them, you know. But they are a nice size, so you know. This one you have to go in. So whether you like it or not, it has to go in. Yeah, people, so I'm gonna go in now with my sweet pepper on top, or my bell pepper, on top of all of this. And I'm gonna give this now the lowest flame possible. And then I'm gonna give it some time. Give it about 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Oh, watch out. Never even remember my okra then. So they may not take no time to cook, people. If you don't know okra, steam alone can do the work. Right now, the stove burner that it's currently on right now, this burner hard to gauge. Alright. Yeah, it's kinda hard to gauge. So what I'm gonna do is put it on one of the slower ones because we need as less flames as possible. Let me turn off this one. That is it. As less heat as possible to this one. See there? So all I'm gonna do now is just close this down for about 8 to 10 minutes. I'll make it steam. That the steam that is gonna trap in here do all of the work. Yeah. So maybe along the way, 5 minutes from now, I'll come and try to turn them. I'll probably have to use my, people that call it clipper. The name of this thing is a tongue, people. It is a tongue. Yeah, that is it. So, yeah, man, people, I'm actually there. So right now, I try to turn them fish up. You know, I want everywhere covered with this sauce, and I want the fish cooked properly, you know. Yeah, man. So I just turn this one. Another one, I get it turned. I want some bigger pot, my people. You want some bigger pots? This one. Nice and rich, no? That is it, my people. That is how we do it. That is how I do it. So, big up on yourself. I'm gonna serve some of this right now. You know, my favorite big plate. I was gonna do this steamed fish with crackers on it, but I have rice, some white rice, so I'm gonna work with it. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. So show them what I go on. See that, people? Yeah, man. Some curry coconut, red snapper. Nice and lovely. And true. I'm gonna check my man and go and get a plate of this one.